Hi friends, welcome back to your channel Bowerspace. Hope you all are doing good. First of all, I wish every single one of you a very happy, prosperous and a healthy new year. I really hope 2018 brings all of us a lot of good things that we have always hoped for, we have always aspired for. So I decided to start the new year with one motivational video, not for just the week, but this entire month, week on week. I want to share with you a few tips on how you can improvise your daily routine so that you not only keep up to your new year resolution, but you also stay as calm, as peaceful and as organized as possible. So without much delay, let's get started.
Friends, we all know the importance of morning alarms. I make sure to give myself a bit of snooze time so that I don't end up being in a hurry. As you can see, between 5 to 5:30 is the time for me to get up and get ready to be in the kitchen at 5:30 sharp. Friends, once you get up, avoid checking mobile phones, your messages, WhatsApp, Facebook, or for that matter, any other social media. Instead, try to sit up, experience the morning calm by closing your eyes for a couple of minutes and stretching a bit. Now, once you're done stretching, if not a full liter of water, try to drink at least 2 glasses of water to begin with. Now friends, it may not be possible to completely take off the sheets and do the bed, but try to arrange it enough to get a clean feeling early in the morning.
Now friends, all these points are very important to remember. I did not tell you anything to go out of the way to do, but these points, if you follow on a day-to-day basis, let me just reiterate. Getting up with a snooze time, 2 to 3 minutes of just closing the eyes and meditating, or just letting your body align itself, stretching for blood circulation, water to detoxify yourself, and last but not the least, allowing proper ventilation to get into your house is the best thing to do. It's very important that you get a breath of fresh air. Now for somebody like me, things are so much in a rush in the morning, and I'm sure for many of you all, things are so rushed up in the morning that I really literally get no time to nicely grab a cup of tea or coffee, go sit down in the veranda, enjoy that nice breath of fresh air. I do not have that early morning time. I do not have that luxury. So the best thing that I do to get a breath of fresh air is in a central air conditioning system like here in the US, or even otherwise, I just switch that off. Anyway, the ceiling fans are on in the respective rooms for others not to get disturbed. I just open up all the doors and all the windows in the house. Typically, that's the childhood habit that my parents cultivated in me. I open up everything for all the fresh air to come in. Trust me friends, that's the best way to get all the virus, the bacteria, all the bad things out of your house and have the nice early morning rush come into you, and the morning sun get into your house and bless your family with all the warmth. Now friends, to have a much more smoother morning, it's very important to do a set of preparation the previous night. So let me show you all the 3 things that I typically do the previous night so that I am not in a hurry the next morning to get the kids ready for school. friends, with all of this, let me just tell you, as I mentioned that 6:30 is typically when I wake up my kids to make them ready. 7:30 they leave. Now I get up at 5, up to 7:30 I start feeling a little bit hungry. Either grab a fruit. I like to have my nuts. My nuts really keep me like charged up, and they don't make me feel hungry till the time I go drop them into the bus, come back home. Otherwise I start getting that acidic feeling, which is not the best thing actually. So I grab a few nuts, I eat my nuts. If possible, you can do that too. Soak a handful of almonds, consume that. If you are used to drinking a cup of milk, well and good. But my suggestion is don't stay hungry, because the moment you stay hungry, your brain will become numb and you will just not feel like doing anything. That's exactly how we end up losing our motivation. Now, if you really want to keep up to their routine, please follow these early morning instructions. In the forthcoming videos, I'll show you how you can really speeden up your work to have more time to yourself, to be able to get back to your work, or if you want to pursue your hobbies, if you really want to do something over and above your daily routine, if you want to spend more time with your family, with yourself, if you want to go around partying, anything it could be. So in my subsequent videos, I will take you through some of the speed cleaning techniques that I do soon after I leave my kids to the bus and come back home. So I'll take you through the rest of my schedule. I really hope that this little video will keep you up and running to that kickstart morning every day, and hope to see you the next time around. If you have any other valuable points that I could follow, please put it in the comments. I would love to see those comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and until the next time, stay organized, stay productive, stay happy. Bye bye.